So before our trip, I thought I would just go through some of our plans. I think I'm gonna make basically just like a pre-holiday prep video and just go through what our holiday plans are. So we're staying at Caribbean Beach for 3 weeks. We've got the deal package thing that Disney were doing, which was if you're staying at a moderate or deluxe or value, you get a certain amount of money for food or merchandise each day. If it's moderate, you're getting $75, I think, dollars a day. If you're deluxe, I think it's $100. If it's value, about $50. So we're doing 3 weeks, so I think it worked out about $1,500 that we will have to spend when we're out there. Also a $200 gift card. I think that's all the perks. So we're going to use, obviously, that money. The $1,500 I think we're going to use on food, and then the $200 we normally use for like things around the house. But yeah, I'll go into a little bit why we chose Caribbean Beach. So we love Port Orleans French Quarter. That's our favourite resort, really. But with the Skyliner now, any hotel with a Skyliner is just so much better than any other hotel, basically, because you can get to the other parks so much. You can get to the parks so much easier. Getting to Hollywood Studios and Epcot from the Skyliner is just so ideal. We stayed at Pop Century at Christmas when we last went, and it was just a game changer. So yes, we also, when we stayed at Pop Century, walked. We went to Riviera, got some food, and then walked around Caribbean Beach before getting a Skyliner back to Pop Century. And that was just, looking around Caribbean Beach, we were like blown away. And Hudson had always wanted to stay there because he thought the pool looked really cool when he was younger. So we thought, why not? And yeah, that's the one that we went for. We are super, super excited. We are driving to the airport the night before. It's 3 weeks of August. It's weird because it kind of sounds like the whole of August. We're there from the 4th to the 25th, which is basically the whole of August. But yeah, we're really excited, and I'll take you along the way. So I just wanted to talk through the process of booking a tour from the UK. So while we're there, me and Mum are going to do the Keys to the Kingdom tour. We didn't really know much about booking it. It might be really obvious to others, but we didn't. And on the day that we could book it, so exactly 60 days before the date that we wanted to do, not before the holiday, but before the date that we wanted to do the tour, that's when you can book it. But when I would go on the app, it would just have the loading icon saying that, it was just not letting me load anything to try and book. So I rang the customer service helpline. The lady answered and said it's because we're in the UK and we can't book the tours on the app in the UK, which is all fine. She then put me on hold to put me through to tours. When they answered, the girl was like, you need to book it on the app. And I was like, I can't book it on the app, I'm in the UK. I was just told I have to do it through you, that's what I've been passed through. And then she was like, yeah, okay, true. So yeah, we booked it all over the phone, paid over the phone. The only thing that was stressful was that wasn't linked in any way to our booking. We never even got sent email confirmation. She gave me my code, but that couldn't link anything either, so it was kind of stressful. The money came out, so we were like, we've booked it. But we messaged the people on the My Disney Experience app just to say, can you confirm that you can see your end that we've got this booked? And they were like, yeah, it's definitely booked, don't worry. So yeah, just so anyone knows, if they're coming from the UK and wanting to do a tour, you have to ring up to book the tours. Well, you did when we booked it in June. Yeah, so this is June. So today I'm gonna show you some of my holiday prep. So we fly a week today. It's Friday the 28th, and we fly next week. I'm getting my lashes and brows done today, and then I'm getting my nails done this evening. So current state, I'm getting a different Disney character on every nail on one hand and a different Universal character on every nail on the other hand. So I'm going to be there for a while. And I'm getting my eyelashes lifted and tinted and my brows laminated and tinted, which I've never had my brows done before, but I've done at home lamination. But I just wanted them done properly. And the lady that I get some of my tattoos from, her main thing is actually lashes and brows. So I've been using the UK lash serum every single day, and that actually does work. You know, like you see the TikToks and people talking about it on ads and you just never really know if it's legit, but that 100% works. I have like kind of already packed, well, decided what I was going to be taking, but I'm going to go through it all again now because I definitely overpacked, and I want to make sure I really need to be taking everything, because also if I'm going to buy stuff there, I don't want to then like not have enough room. So yeah, I'm going to go through it again now and I'll talk you through what I'm taking with me. So I had my lashes and brows done. My brows will not look as scary as this like tomorrow. It's just because they haven't been washed, they've just been done, so they're like extra dark and extra laminated, but they'll be fluffier and lighter tomorrow. Exciting. But yes, I will try and set this up somewhere. Little tennis skirt, which I definitely will be taking. A skort, black skort, will also definitely be taking. Little blue denim Roxy shorts, I will be taking those. Most of the bottoms are a definite yes, but I'm just going through to double check now. These definitely, most of them are just plain different coloured shorts. These are my linen ones that I like all over like this. I have written a note on my phone for each top, what it will go with, because I am really bad at packing basically. I know these look similar, but these are white, the other ones are beige. But yeah, I'm really bad at packing. I am known to just pack randomly loads of tops that I like, loads of bottoms that I like, and then I realise none of them match and I have to wear like the same top 100 times or the same bottoms 100 times. So I've made a note page of like what tops go with what bottoms, so I don't have that issue. So yeah, these Nike shorts, I think I'm gonna wish that I had more sporty items with me. These cycling shorts, I've got another pair of little mini cycling shorts as well, these, but I don't have many sporty shorts. This is a running set, but it's also like a swim set. Black denim shorts, little mini skirt, pink cycling shorts, and then my Kath Kidston skirt. So yeah, all of these I will put back in. I've got this nice long one that I think will be quite warm, but it's like perfect for the Riviera resort. Then have this dress, which is nice and aquaty, I think, or Hollywood Studios. It is like 70s vibes, that's from Zara. And then also this white dress, which I think I'm gonna try on actually. This is to like, I don't think it's very flattering on my body shape, and am I gonna just sweat through it like here? I do think it's really cute, but I don't know if I would even wear it like in the UK on a really hot day. I don't know. I've then got this spotty Zara like little dress, slightly risky, but I'm gonna film it since it's t-shirt. Animal Kingdom top, pure white wine. This Roxy backless top, which again I don't wear a lot because it's not that flashing on me, but the fact that it's backless and like sleeveless is probably going to be a game changer when we are there. I've packed this. I don't think I'm going to take it. It's plain white. It's a Rachel t-shirt that says "Save the Drum for Your Mama." I've got two bandos, Mickey Mouse t-shirt, Warner Brothers Studios. so it's incredibly faded, but I love it because it's got all the houses on. Even though I am a slim patchy pair of pajamas, that's great. This from ASOS when they did the Lion King collection like 8 years ago. Gymshark tank top, which I think is going to be perfect in the heat, and just a plain white, slightly longer. Actually, I feel like I have. Oh yeah, do you? There is a fourth one. There is a fourth one. My fun, trippy Minnie Mouse t-shirt, Uniqlo. Again, fancy mini. And a little Disney top that says Disney is where my heart is. Zara Winnie the Pooh stripy top. I love it. They're like the little animals that you can get. You get Hogwarts. I'm pretty sure Ginny gets one. This is my dad's from like years ago. A Mickey basketball. A little Snoopy vest. So I have a good mix of Disney and Universal tops, but we're actually probably only at Universal 2 days, maybe 3 or 4, like it depends. It's just this plain little bando. Yeah, it really depends on how much we like it there, and also the fact we're gonna have to be paying for taxis to get there all the time. So these took 4 hours. Sneak peek. Yeah, these took 4 hours, so they are absolutely incredible. Carrie paints my nails freehand. She literally looks at like a picture that I sent her. So for each character I sent her a picture. She just looked at that and was just painting it freehand. So, are you ready? This is the Disney side. So we've got cute little baby Yoda, Mickey, Stitch, Pascal, and Oswald the Lucky Rabbit. So I was going to have 5 characters on each hand, but when we were like, what on earth are we going to fit on the little finger? I wanted Pua, but how was he going to get on there? And I got her to do the thumbs this way, because then if I hold a cup or whatever, this makes me sound really sad, but yeah, if I hold a cup or food, like when I'm at Disney, you can see. And then, how incredible, the lightning bolt for Harry Potter, Hello Kitty, Lisa Simpson, Betty Boop, and Felix. Like, this is bad because Disney is my favourite, but I think the Universal hand is my favourite. Like, so cool. And I purposely did Oswald and Felix on my thumbs because they kind of match. But yes, Carrie is incredible, and I also can't believe it was 4 hours. I feel like it should have been longer than that as well, but no, 4 hours. So yes, I think this is probably the end of my pre-holiday vlog. I may add on pre-travel day, I'm not sure. But it's so hard because I've done most of them, like, so they kind of match. So it's not, I think I do have one like favourite landlord, but like I love that Oswald look. Gosh, yeah, I don't know. So this is my OG best one. These pins are mostly all really old, from when I first started pin collecting when I was like 2. Like, there's been times that I've been in cast members have been like, oh my god, I've never seen that pin. This was a magical moment when I was really young. Cast member gave it to me. So this is definitely one that I'm taking. I'm gonna take this one because it's got quite a few of my cool characters and I want to complete this set. I don't know if you can hear that, but my brother's listening to the Disney hotel TV soundtrack in the shower. We get to the airport tomorrow night for the night and then fly the next morning. We never used to do that, but we do since COVID. We did it the last time we came, and now it's just something that we do because it just feels like less stress knowing that you're there, like you wake up and you're there. So, and also if you saw our video last time, it was a major blessing that we stayed because my dad hadn't booked a COVID test because he had had COVID in the recent weeks before and there was so much misinformation. So if we hadn't been staying, then Dad probably wouldn't have been able to get on the flight. But yes, I'm still uploading all of my pictures from Disney last year, which is nearly 2 years ago now, because my phone ran out of space, so I had to just upload all of my pictures to my hard drive, which are all in folders, and I had to do it in such an annoying way. I had to go through my iCloud on my laptop and download them in sections. Honestly, been the bane of my life. And I'm still only halfway through the Disney pictures of last year, and then I've got all of my personal pictures for a whole year to upload. The reason I upload them all onto Facebook is because I have PTSD from dropping my phone down the toilet and losing all of my pictures before, so now I upload them all onto Facebook into albums, so I know that I've got all of them and I don't need to worry. And also I've had it so many times, especially when at Disney, when I suddenly just need to delete a load of pictures, and if I haven't got them anywhere to look back on or to save them again, I don't want to delete them, but obviously I want to be taking new pictures. So I would like to get my Disney ones from 2 years ago uploaded before this Disney trip. We'll see though. I think I'm only halfway through. I've got to like Christmas Day and we leave New Year's Day, and I think that's a week apart. But yes, that's where I'm at. So I'm gonna end the vlog now because we go tomorrow. Thank you for watching this just pre-plan ramble of a vlog. Next vlog will be pre and travel day combined, because tomorrow we'll literally just be driving to the airport and staying in a hotel, so I'll combine them. But yeah, see you at the airport.